razor sharp and still. Quiet hands move with will. Golden dust upon the ground, echoes of a steady sound. Fragments gathered piece by piece, work in rhythm, work in peace. Something simple taking shape, holding warmth the heart can make. Lay it down, keep it safe. Every moment has its place. Through the cold, through the gray, where you gather lights the way. In the hush of fading light, shadows stretch into the night. What is done will hold you through, guiding gently, steady, true. Where the earth and effort meet, strength is stored in lines of heat. Quiet steps that few may see still become a legacy. Lay it down, keep it safe. Every moment has its place. Through the cold, through the gray, where you gather lights the way. When